So now coming to Christmas, Christmas is a time where there's green and a lot of red. So I would advise and recommend using less of red because red is a fiery color, fiery, aggression, temper, arguments and stuff. So it's one of the favorites for a lot of people, but I don't recommend those. But if you're going to be looking at having red in your apartment or in your house and stuff, a good idea would be to balance it with goldens or greens or different colors. If you have red in your rooms or in your apartments, try and balance it out with whites or with pink or pastel shades and stuff. Highly recommend it because it keeps the feminine side of yours happening and going. And black and all these dark colors normally come with depression. They come with sadness and come with blues. And these are great in places where the weather is really nice, but mostly in Indian houses and houses where you don't have good ventilation or sunlighting and stuff, it's a big no. So do these tips, and all of these are going to work like a charm. And lighter shades are always recommended. Wallpapers definitely give you this benefit of having beautiful concepts and themes. So in winters, when you're spending a lot of time indoors and stuff, try and have thoughtfully decided long-term vision wallpapers. And what I usually and mostly recommend and advise people is, which is if you're buying something, buy something which you're going to love looking at. If you buy something which is going to be a short-term thingy, after a few months you'll be like, I'm done with it, I'm bored with it, I'm not enjoying it. So when you go for buying something and investing your money and stuff, make sure that you're thinking about would you enjoy looking at it? How you going to feel about it? And on certain days you may feel different. On certain times you may feel different. So the point is not to take extreme decisions and stuff. The point is to kind of see how you're feeling and fine tuning your decor as per that. And also, add accessories in color, maybe golden is opulence and beauty. Maybe you can have orange, maybe you can have green. These days purple is also in, but purple is not highly recommended because it can be a little yucky and it can bring you down. And the color silver is nice. The colors pastel shades, yellows, light greens are all recommended because the moment you come into a room, as you step in, you're going to feel amazing. So these are the little tips. And of course, if you have let's say if you have not say dining dressing tables, you have an option. I mean, you can always do a touch up. You can always have the frame which is colorful, and you can redo your dressing table because that's where you spend most of your time and energy. So good idea is to have good lighting on that as well. And if you're not in a position to replace your dining tables or your chairs, or you're not able to kind of have your like I said, dressing tables change, then you can always do a touch up. So that makes life a lot easier. And whenever you go for something, keep it in mind. If storage is an issue, try and focus more on buying stuff which gives you more options of storage. So let's say if you bought a sofa, see if you can have storage. If you have a bed, see if you can have storage. If you have, let's say, a console, see you can have storage. Because as time passes, the family members grow, you have pets happening, and you have children happening, and stuff like that. You have to take care of the long term rational and thoughts in your head. Okay. And if you own a hotel, you know by now that the theme and the maintenance matters the most. So most of your clock should be working, most of your equipment should be working, and make sure that your people are comfortable around it, and linen is clean, cushions are clean, sofas are clean, walls are clean, washrooms are clean, your tea maker equipment is clean, everything has to be really clean. Okay. So this is where I leave you on this thought. Enjoy some nice coffee. No, this is not coffee. Sorry, that's my first cup. Enjoy some chai. Make the best use of your time and everything. And these are the tips which will actually help you to kind of uh, give this kick-ass flipping look to your room or your apartment and stuff. So enjoy. jkapani@gmail.com, justinkapani.im@gmail.com. Thanks for writing in. Thanks for your messages. I'm not active on Facebook, so you know where to reach me. You can email me. And I'm getting messages on WhatsApp from people I don't know. So let me just tell you that I don't reply normally to people I don't know. So you could drop in a message with your introduction and I'll connect with you. Thank you so much and looking forward to meeting you. Bye bye.